we're training box test. Okay, hello guys, we're gonna open it. Oh, you see this? There's a torch here. A torch. You see a torch? You can find everything. And I'll show you how to open it. You need to switch it like this. Oh yeah, there's the headphones. You need to take it out very carefully. And here's the headphones we use. You see it? You see this? This is the headphones. You see this button, you press it. It's on. Out. That's the button to on it. That is the headphone sound. Really buy? You want to turn this? Closed. And I show you the charger. I show you this. Okay, there's a charge here. Charge. You're on the button of charge. And you need to get the big ones. Hold and put it here. And you need to plug it. And you need to get energy to back. You need to use your phone, click it here, and all the phones put it here. Your energy comes here. And with it, you need to put it back. Okay. And you're finished. You need something. I'll show you something. There's in the box. There's instructions about instructions. I show you all the instructions. Don't know the headphones. You see this? You need this plug here. That is plug here. What does it say? Yeah, that is it. You need to see this. What is it? Yeah, that is it. And what is this side? Oh yeah, that. Look, load here. You see? I show you. You see? You see this? I showed you yesterday. Look. You know that? There's a button here. Guys, we do can't and here's a headphones. And you want to see the lights? Okay. And you close this and subscribe and subscribe. Bye guys, we left clean up, left clean up.